Okay, today we are going to work on creating this cool origami cube. And this cube is made out of basically two shapes. So we're going to take our square piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half this way. Okay. And then we are going to fold it in half again down the middle. Here and here. At this point, interesting to just sort of wonder what's the area, how much have we done. I'm going to fold it again this way, okay, so that we have that, and one more time, so we just keep folding it in. Okay, so we have now created this sort of shape. This is actually the second shape we're going to use. This is shape B. We're going to take this, we're going to fold this corner in so that we have now created this sort of shape. You'll see that this is going to become that. Okay, and here's where we do this cool thing. So we have this sort of shape here. This naturally sort of points out. We're going to tuck it in. So we're going to make it fold back on itself so that it goes back in. And then carefully sort of squeeze this out so that you basically have this shape. Okay? We're going to call this shape A. So this is figure A, okay? And I used an A because it's sort of got a little triangle thing going there. Okay, so figure A, it's our fold, but with a little triangle there. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside just for a moment. That's figure A. So, and then figure B, well, figure B is just figure A without the triangle. So, we go this way. Fold it into the inside. You don't need to go as quickly as I'm going. I'm kind of trying to go kind of fast because, you know, it's a video. Fold it this way, and this way, and then this way. And the more precise you are, the more precise your cube will be. Okay, so this one we're going to call B. All right, so I got two of these things, A and B. And you're going to do that 3 times. So you're going to have A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, so when you're done, I'll actually let you watch me decompose it. When you're done, you're going to have 1, 2, 3 B's. 3 of the B's, right? 1, 2, 3, all those things. And then you're gonna have this one. Notice the interlocking part. 1, 2, 3 A's. See that? 3 of those A's. Okay? Now, the putting them together part, this is the tricky part. So, try to pay attention. Put one laying down this way, and another one needs to interlock. You can see how this is going to create that part. So this one has to go on this side. Okay, so you got to figure out the direction it needs to go in order to be a different side. And it looks like it's going to be this side. So, and it needs to interlock. So it's going to like inside of one, outside of the other. So in this case, it probably needs to go on the outside of the orange. Don't know if that's the right combination or the best combination. But now I've got that interlocking inside. If you use opposite colors, it's handy, because then you're just gonna tuck in the opposite side. So I got my orange opposite my orange, my red opposite my red, and you're sort of just tucking them inside, and the pattern will eventually kind of make itself be clear. Okay, so now I've got it going this way, and the green. Oh, this one's on the outside. I think that's not going to work. Something's not working right on this, but I'll put my green on the outside anyway and see. Because basically, once you tuck all of these squares together, you should have things overlapping such that, right? And you see how this is kind of not snug? Well, I think that my red needs to go inside like that. My orange probably needs to go inside here like this. Green on the outside, and my green I think needs to go in here. Well, that's a really tough move. Don't normally see that move. All right. And my square has been mangled a little bit, so apologies if I just sort of blow up. But here we go. Squeezing it all back together. And by the way, this is a good reason to have a partner, because it's just a little bit easier. Two people getting it together. Oh, I completely disintegrated. There we go, that side in, this side in. And you're welcome to pause at any moment. There we go, almost. Wrestling with it. And you can see why you want to get this corner done first. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get that one in because this corner needs to be in there. Oh, modeling perseverance here. That one right there. Boom. Okay, so now they are all tucked in a way that everything is interlocking. So there you go. So you need 3 A's, 3 B's, interlock this part first, then add these parts, and you'll need to struggle with it a little bit. All right, enjoy.